Okay guys, this is TuneCore official website and I'll be using its screenshots for your references. No doubt TuneCore is one of the very popular digital music distribution service available out there. I have personally used TuneCore many times and I am fully satisfied with their services. So let's check it out what they are offering now. As you all can see that TuneCore got very simple process for music distribution. You all upload the track, they distribute it and you get paid. Pretty straightforward. TuneCore also got list of more than 150 online digital music stores worldwide, with almost all major online music stores included. So you guys don't have to worry about your tracks availability at leading music stores. But you do have to quality control your product, as all leading online music stores got their own quality control requirements. And TuneCore don't play any part in it. The pricing. As you all can see that TuneCore is having 3 different plans for music distribution, where album release is costing around $30 for the first year and following years will be charged at $50. Single track release will be costing at $10 per year and the ringtone release will be costing at $20 per year. Guys, these charges are very nominal as compared to what you all will be getting in service. TuneCore also got special discount price for bulk distribution. So if you all plan in releasing multiple albums, singles or ringtones, then you all can sure go for the discount package. So choose your plans as required. Apart from music distribution service, TuneCore is having 3 other services as well, which are publishing, YouTube and TuneCore Social. So if you guys plan to avail these services, then do check them out. Music publishing and administration. Guys, TuneCore also got powerful music publishing and administration service. So if anyone wants to go professional or is really serious about the career, then they can sure go for this hassle-free licensing service. Selecting this service will be a peace of mind and one will be getting paid by many other sources other than sales at online music stores. Opting for this service can have multiple benefits as TuneCore team help your track to be used in films, televisions, video games, etc. So guys, do check out the service if you all want to collect royalties by music licensing. They have got one-time setup fee for $75 with 85% commission. Artist services. Guys, TuneCore also got one very special service for artists. Basically, this is one hassle-free production, distribution and promotion service by TuneCore. In this service, TuneCore will be working on your behalf by guiding you all for better success. So again, check out the service in details if you all think that this service will be beneficial for you guys. CD Baby. Guys, this is CD Baby official website and I'll be using screenshots for your references. No doubt CD Baby is one reputed name and have been in the market for a long time. With pretty much similarities with TuneCore, CD Baby sure can be the alternate choice. CD Baby also got network of more than 150 digital music stores worldwide, with almost including all leading online music stores, just like TuneCore. In pricing point of view, CD Baby got two options. One is standard and another is pro. As you all can see that standard pricing for single is around $10 and for the album you guys have to pay $29. But the best part is that for the standard pricing, apart from digital music distribution, you guys also get CD distribution and sync licensing services. So over here CD Baby no doubt have some advantages over TuneCore. But still choice is up to you guys. And looking at pro pricing package, we got $30 for single release and $69 for the album release. In the pro pricing package, one gets all the standard pricing features, and in addition, pro package also gets publishing royalty collection. So kind of pretty much service similar to TuneCore. So guys, do check out the CD Baby website for more informations, as they have also got so many other services like CD manufacturing, pro audio mastering, professional music website hosting, etc. CD Baby also got sale tracking services where one can get the personal sale data of Spotify, Apple Music and iTunes stores. So guys, research carefully before making any moves and do read all the terms and conditions before signing up. You guys can show off for CD Baby if you like the features of this digital music distribution service. Rebeat Digital. Guys, this is Rebeat Digital website and I'll be using screenshot for you guys references. When it comes to digital music distribution, then no doubt Rebeat Digital certainly gives one-stop solution for individuals and record labels. Rebeat Digital is a complete package with so many flexible options. Rebeat Digital is not a website-based digital music distribution service, but instead it's a dedicated software-based digital music distribution service. With their dedicated MES software, one can have so many flexible options and impressive features which are very useful. Rebeat Digital also have a very large digital music distribution store list with almost all leading online music stores included. The best part is that one can have a direct contact with the digital store owners via MES software. Rebeat Digital have professional features like store management, content management, revenue management, and royalty settlement. Software also provides features like detailed data analysis, media promotion, artist promotion, which are very beneficial for an artist. Guys, in my opinion, Rebeat Digital is a one hassle-free option for digital music distribution worldwide. With so many options and controls in hand, it is a very powerful platform for any artist or record label. Guys, as you all can see that Rebeat Digital got two plans: pay as you go and flat fee. In both the plans, they are keeping 15% revenue shares, which I think is very nominal as compared to the platform what they are providing us. In both the plans, we are required for the one-time software license, which is 149 euros. Rest you guys can figure out by yourself. If one choose to go for flat fee, then 99 euros will be monthly charges with unlimited services. Whereas pay as you go plan is having individual pricing. Technically, for a single release, ISRC code is a must for product identification. So 1 euros for ISRC code and 1 euros for standard definition file. So basically 2 euros for a single release. But if you guys want to release an album, then you guys have to get the EAN code, which is 5 euros per release. The rest, they are having a pretty decent pricing range. And one can sure opt for any of the plans. So guys, if you all want to settle for a stable digital music distribution service, then Rebeat Digital is highly recommended. And do read the policies before signing up. That's all guys. Hope you all have a better understanding of digital music distribution service now. So let's move on to the next lesson.